What do you got in your tool belt there?
Would you like to see what I have in my tool belt? Well, I have my camera recorder / phone.
Mm-hmm.
We have another essential item on a hike like this, sunglasses.
Mm.
We also have chapstick, only the best, Demenza baby, Demenza.
What vintage is that, though?
This
That's
is
the
vintage,
question.
Vintage 2009, just kidding.
Nice. Oh,
Doesn't say the year.
okay. So
Strangely.
recent, I think.
Yeah. Expires in 2021, so we're good.
Okay.
It's been from Burning Man 2019. I have cough drops, Ricola. I have a little
Oh,
knife.
nice.
This is just for getting kindling if I need to start a fire or for, I don't know.
Chop
to cut
down a
something
1 foot tall tree.
tissues.
I gave you that.
And that's it in that pocket. Cough drops, tissues, little miniature saw.
Saw. I gave you that saw. Oh, we lost something.
Oh, is that a wrapper? Is that a tissue? That's a tissue piece.
Got it.
Right in here, my hip pocket. Okay. In my back pocket, I have
Let's see what you got in the trunk there.
bandana, a necessity in these coronavirus times. Flashlight, also a necessity. You don't know. Last night we got off trail, lost our way.
You didn't have
It was
the
dark, and I was glad I did not have this with me last night.
You were glad.
Actually,
You were glad that you had your iPhone with you, though.
and
Probably.
Pedialyte.
Nice.
That was not so intentional, but quite useful on a hike like
Could
this.
be. What else? Good.
That's it.
Good. How
That's
about
what I have on my hip,
How about
guys.
those cough drops?
Oh, would you like one?
I'd love one.
Okay.